Let's look at this JAMB past question, Geography 2018. Question number 10. The two most important factors which account for the pattern of population distribution in West Africa are A. Economic prosperity and regional. B. Economic prosperity and favorable fiscal conditions. C. Favorable fiscal conditions and human inertia. D. Hospital antecedents and regional migration. Now, when you look at West African nations, you'll find out that there is normally migration. If this is Africa, now you have Nigeria here, you have Benin, Ghana, and other ones. This is the West African region. You find out that there is much migration towards where we have favorable economic prosperity and where there is also good weather conditions and other things. So it's most likely that people are going to migrate towards places like Lagos in Nigeria, Abuja, Dakar in Senegal, Accra in Ghana. Places where you can be sure that when you get there, there is high probability of having economic prosperity, and places where the fiscal conditions like weather is also good. People run from the Sahara area where there is very bad weather to the areas towards the rainforest region, like in Port Harcourt and Lagos, where the fiscal conditions of the weather there is good. So option B is the most likely better option in these options that we have here, and that's why B is the answer. Thank you.